everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you everything that's in my college bag or school bag, whatever you want to call it, as I did one of these back in the summer and now I've actually been at college for like 4 or 5 months, so it's changed a little bit, and also it's really interesting for me to see what I thought I would need and what I actually do need. And to be honest, I just want to have a bag that's light as possible, so this may help you out if you want to lighten up your bag and honestly just take the essentials in every day. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you what's in my bag. I've also got a really special product that was gifted to me to show you guys, which is really exciting as well, and I've got a little discount code for that as well. So stay tuned to see that, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I still do have the same bag that I did in the video I filmed in the summer. However, that one actually broke, and then I took it back to New Look and they gave me a new one, but this one's actually breaking itself already. But it's just like this massive backpack, and then it's just got like a ring and then drawstring, and as you can see it's the drawstrings that are breaking, like this is all peeling away, but I'm trying to use it for as long as possible until I need to go and get another one. But yeah, this is just my bag. It was £20, so you know, you can't expect much, but still just a bit annoying. But yeah, in my bag the first thing I just have is my ring binder. This ring binder is just from Wilco's. I've had this for a few years, to be honest, and all I do is just keep my work in there. So as you can see, it's got dividers. So in the purple section's media, the blue section is geography, the pink section is sociology, and then there's like a yellow and a blue one. The yellow's just got like spare plain paper in, and the blue one's got homework that I've done that's not due in just yet, because I tend to get my homework done like a week in advance. So yeah, I just keep it back there so I know I've got it with me. But yeah, that's kind of just how I organise my day folder. It saves me bringing in 3 folders, to be honest. The only day I have all my lessons is a Tuesday, and how I've kind of organised it is I have media Monday to Wednesday, geography Tuesday to Thursday, and then sociology is kind of like scattered throughout the week, so that's why it's just organised like that, so it's a little bit more convenient. But yeah, this is really light. I only keep in what I need for that week or what we need for the topic, really, so that's how I'm just trying to keep this as light as possible. I did empty it out yesterday because I don't need half the media stuff at the moment. But yeah, that's just my ring binder, and that's the first thing in my bag, and it does fit, for those of you wondering. Next thing in my bag is just a notepad. This is just a pucker pad, and honestly I've gone through so many of these recently, and yeah, in here I just keep my work. I do rip it out, but this is just something that we're continuing on today, so I just thought I'd keep that in there. I think this is probably like the 6th pad I'm on. I may be wrong, maybe the 5th. And yeah, this one's looking quite tattered because it's starting to break just from me like forcefully ripping out the pages. But yeah, these are my favourite notepads to use for college, and then at home just a refill pad's fine. But yeah, this is just perfect because you can actually rip out the pages, as it's got like a tearline, and it's also hole punched with 4 holes, which is even better for certain folders. The next thing I have in my bag is just my pencil case. This is just from WH Smith's. It's like this teal colour with golden dots. And then inside I've just got a load of pens, highlighters, coloured pens, ruler, rubber, and I've also got like an SD card for media. It's just safe to keep it in there rather than somewhere at the bottom of my bag. But yeah, this pencil case, I can't remember how much it was. I think it was about £6, but it fits so much in it, and you know, just for like every day it's perfect. You don't need to clear one anymore until you get to exams anyway, so I thought, why not have a nice pencil case. The next thing I have in my bag is a calculator, because I forgot when I was going to do geography that I would need a calculator, as there's quite a bit of maths involved. So this is just a Casio scientific calculator. It's what you use for maths and science at GCSE, and yeah, I gave my one to my brother, so I had to go purchase another one because I kind of forgot about that. But yeah, I just keep this in here because I never know when I'm going to need my calculator in geography, and it's just helpful to have rather than trying to do all the stuff on your phone. It's better just to have a proper calculator, really. So the next thing I have to show you is sometimes in my bag, sometimes in my pocket, it just depends. But it's this Melita Latham London card holder. Now this can be used for your train tickets, bus pass, which is what I usually do use it for, but that's all got my name on, so I wasn't really sure that I could show you that, but instead I've just put a couple of cards in to show you. So like my bank card, Tesco card, Superdrug card, and it basically has a couple of card holders on either side, and then it's also got like a middle pocket that opens up, which is really useful just to put other cards in really. Now this one is part of the new range, and it comes in a variety of colours: blue, green, purple, obviously the pink and more, and it retails for about £18, which for this quality is an absolutely like great price. Like it's such good quality, it's a really nice leather, really nicely made, and you know, it's perfect for, like I said, your debit cards, credit cards, loyalty cards, trains, bus passes, anything like that. Now if you want to get 20% off, you can use the code SophiaX20. Like I said, that's 20% off, so you know, that's saving you a good few pounds there, and you know, I definitely think these are worth it. The website has got a whole variety of other things like bags, notebooks, stationery, all things like that, so definitely head over there and check that out. So I'm currently editing this video and realised I didn't mention the giveaway. So if you want your chance to win your very own card holder like the one I showed you, then all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you already are, and then make sure to follow me on Instagram, and then also follow Melita on Instagram or Twitter. If you could do both, that's probably an extra chance of winning for you. And then all you need to do is just leave a comment down below saying you've entered, and leave your Instagram and Twitter usernames as well, so I can double check that you've done all those things. And then on the 23rd of February the giveaway will close, and I will contact you on the 24th to say if you've won. So good luck, I hope you all do enter, and make sure to use that discount code as well for 20% off. So just do keep my purse in my bag. It depends kind of what my plans are for the day, because a lot of the time I won't take my purse with me. It's quite heavy if I've got loads of change in it or anything, but especially on days like Tuesday where I have a really long gap, then I'll probably take this. But to be honest, like the canteens take cards anyway, and I don't really go out much, so yeah, my purse is just from Cath Kidston for those of you wondering. But yeah, this usually just stays in like my bag at home because I don't need to take it every day. I then just have this smaller bag. I have no idea where this is from, but it's just got things like hand sanitizer in, and also my lanyard. And then I also do take a water bottle. This one's from Cath Kidston as well. I got this for Christmas, and probably some lunch with me on a Wednesday, Thursday and Tuesday. That is everything in my college bag. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave it a massive thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I will leave all the links and discount codes to the card holder and Melita Lathan's website as well. Definitely go check it out, as well as her blog and all her social media pages, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!